That's right.
You want to get some water down?
Water's for pussies. Hey guys, been a while. Alex is a vegan now. Adrian does CrossFit. And we're pretty cool now, you know? You know, just the usual 3-month break between videos. Which is actually a bit shorter than last time, so not too bad.
What are we doing today, sir?
Yes, Alex. Thanks for that, mate.
No problem. Obviously.
How's the weather?
Weather's sunny, but with the chance of meatballs.
It tells you how that is the hottest in the world.
What's the actual ingredient? What's the hot part?
It's called 9 million shu chili extract. So it's basically chili extract, but 9 million of it. Pretty cool.
It's a tiny chocolate. I haven't seen it yet. But
And it's 35 calories, so it's feeding me my macros today. Just barely, because I didn't have enough carbs. So, is it carbs? Oh, 3 grams of fat. Jeez. So I'll probably have to have half.
yeah, that's how my macros today too. So.
I don't speak very good English today, so I'm gonna let Alex introduce the video.
Today is simple. Who grabs the water first loses. Let's do it.
And we're just having this hot ass chocolate, man. Mmm. Delicious.
Yum.
It
smells like milk chocolate. I don't know. I like this.
Yeah, it smells like milk chocolate, but it's probably got the devil in it.
Should we chew it, or?
Yeah, don't just swallow the whole block. you might have, your stomach's gonna burn, right? Alright. The water, don't even worry about the water. So let's count it down. World's hottest chocolate. I shit in my pants. I expect this is pretty confident. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Try away.
Wow.
Pretty easy. Just grind a little bit, it's alright. Oh, that's got a second kick. Woo! There you go, boys. Oh, my throat. So dry. It's pretty easy, actually. Oh, there's a woo! How's your ears, man? Are you alright? This is funny. Come a bit closer to the camera because you look like a fucking dead man. Oh, it's heating up now. Burning my ears. That's so funny. That was probably my easiest win of the year. Still crying a little bit. I can't lie, I'm not overly. Ooh, it's heating up. Yes, that's right.
Keeps coming back.
Yeah, back my throat. You look like you're having an allergic reaction. Yeah, so Alex is just grabbing for the milk. I'm still not having anything yet. You just can't drink it quick enough. It's funny.
No.
Nah.
You just drink and it keeps coming back. You say, ah!
I want a drink. Because I'm a man.
I don't think it's my milk.
Oh, my right ear is pretty stinging right now. I'm trying not to cry. Oh. Wow. Stay in the camera, bro, so you can see all your pain. things like eating Doritos, eh? Can I have some more? I think I'm a bit hungry. It looks like you just got punched in both eyes. Ah. Oh. His eyes gonna throw up, guys? Do you think? I feel like he was gonna throw it up. Yeah, still going. I'm not gonna have any water, by the way. Alright, so we're gonna end the challenge here, or? Oh man. That's bad.
Stop drinking. I think it's messing you up if you start drinking.
Can you have all the... Nah, it's still burning my throat. Where is it stinging for you, to be honest?
Back my throat.
Oh, same. But, I'm not cold anymore actually. I was cold all day, I was like shivering at work. Came back home, I was like, I have an idea to heat us up. And it sure did, I tell ya. Woo! I'm really hot right now, yeah. He's just putting the story up saying that he messed up. I could have told him that before he ate it, but he was pretty confident. It's only just a little chocolate, right? Oh well. It's got away now. It's actually not that bad. It's alright.
Well, you're welcome to drink if you want.
Why would I need a drink? It's alright, it's not too bad. Oh no, it's going back again. Every time I say it's not too bad, it's going back. I think this is the only time that I've seen Alex cry in my life. Well, actually, I've seen him cry one more time when we had the hot noodles, but that's basically the only time.
I can't even pay attention to this camera anymore.
Yeah, I can realize. I thought you were having an allergic reaction.
Shake, man.
You might then. You might even have to throw it up.
No, literally I'm having a shake right now. I don't feel like I'm cold, but I'm not cold.
It's a pretty good workout, I think. You wanna go train?
Yeah.
I can't even have a normal conversation with him, he's just looking at the milk. You can have all the milk, man. It's alright. He's just drank 3 whole liters of milk. No shit, he just opened that bottle today. He can't even take it. I can tell he's in pain because he doesn't have a sense of humor anymore. He's laughing, but he's laughing because he's trying to mask his crying. So yeah, so right now you're looking at champion, and next week actually, before I end this video, I'm gonna go vegan for a week, see what happens to my body. I've been challenged by my barber, Daddy Barber, and he's gonna love this shout out.
Hey, if you guys are on the big bike here, go hit him up.
Yeah, if you guys prefer, yeah, look up Daddy Barber on Instagram. It's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm gonna take up a challenge, see what happens. See if I lose all my gains. But haven't really made any gains, but
thanks for watching. Make sure to check Adrian's videos out next week.
Well, not next week, after that, next week.
How you doing?
If you have any suggestions of what I should eat when I'm vegan, let me know, because I have no clue, other than like what? Rice, broccoli, and
Potato, tomato, that's it.
yeah. I'm just gonna eat tomatoes for the whole week. But yeah, I'm still gonna try and eat fewer macros, so it'd be cool. Anyways, yeah.